All right, guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. For my return subscribers, you guys are really amazing, to be sincere. For you not to get tired of watching my video all the time, God will never get tired of you. And for the set of people who are coming across my content for the very first time, maybe YouTube recommend this video to you after watching some of my videos. This is 𝐲𝐬 Logistics, and you are listening to the voice of Samuel Joshua. All right. So by default, here we talk about how we can make money online, arbitrage, e-commerce, and most especially mini importation business. So what you want to do to join my community is to subscribe. So subscribe to my YouTube channel as you're about to watch this video, like it as well, and share to whosoever that you know that this content will be helpful for. All right. So in today's tutorial, I've come with a whole lot of benefits and a whole lot of bulk content, right? So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you a step-by-step tutorial. I just discovered a website that I'm going to be sharing with you today. This website is more cheaper than 1688 in terms of the registration. Talking of the registrations is uncompared to 1688 because you can use your email, you can use sign up with your email, you can sign up with your phone number without any stress. One thing I love about this website again is the fact that everything is being decoded in English. All right, uncompared to 1688 that you have to go through the stress of translating all the time. And another benefit you are going to be seeing from this video I'm about to show you, from this website I'm about to show you, is the fact that no stress of getting suppliers contacts. By default, once you click on any product, you are going to be getting the supplier WeChat number, WhatsApp number, and the email address of that supplier. So you can definitely chat with this supplier. There are a whole lot of benefits with this site because this is a just discover website that is far more better than 1688, and you really know what I mean by that. I don't just come here to tell you guys rubbish or to mislead you guys. Okay, so what you want to do is to stay connected, watch this video, and see what I want to show you. And we are going to be doing a full comparison because with this website, you can also picture search. Yes, you search for anything. You even have access to see the shop of who you are dealing with. You get to meet with manufacturer, supplier, wholesales, and retail. What do I mean by this? This website will display the shop of this person you are dealing with. So you are going to see everything. All right. So what you want to do now is to follow me step by step. And please, this is a new website that I just discovered. Now what you want to do is to make sure that you don't skip any part of this video, because that is very important, so you won't get to do any mistakes at all. All right, make sure you are following me step by step tutorial. Now let me take you through the process, and let me just summarize how this website works for you, the name of the website, and everything you want to know about this website. Let's head over to the website. So all right, guys, this is the name of the website now, and of course you can use this website on any browser unlike 1688. Okay, so you can use it on your Chrome, Safari, or any other browser. So the name of this website is 𝐲𝐬𝐧𝐤.com. And what is 𝐲𝐬𝐧𝐤, and what does 𝐲𝐬𝐧𝐤 means, and what do they do? Okay, so now 𝐲𝐬𝐧𝐤 is a partner websites that partner with different businessmen in China. All right, so they come together to make this a marketplace, and they have their trading fair marked in different districts in China. All right, and they partner with different countries. Now, talking of this website, the fact that they decoded everything in English really makes it amazing, and things are very quite cheaper on this website. But before we check out any product now, let me just go to these partners here. Let's see the people that partner with these guys, and you are going to see that they are already in business, okay, on compared to 1688 that the website is just decoded in Chinese. Now these are different companies that different countries that are already partnered, that are already in partnership with this Jiwongo. Now the first one, we have Canada, we have Egypt, we have Iran, we have Jordan, we have Lebanon, we have Malaysia and Israel. Okay, so you can see that these are different countries that are worldwide known. You can see that everything about this website now is in English. Now this is what I want to show you now. Now let's go to the fact that they decode this website in English really makes it easy. Now clicking on all categories here, they have already categorized every item on this website, that you are going to be making it easy to search for your item. And one thing, another benefit, like I've said before now, is the fact that you are going to be seeing your supplier WhatsApp number, WeChat number, email, so you can speak with them directly. Okay, now these are different categories. Let me click on fashion and accessories now and see what we have in there, because I get to realize that some people are finding it very difficult to translate and do all sorts of things. You can see that under this fashion and accessories, this has been categorized into different segments. Now let me click on this children clothes and see what we have in here. So this is I'm just checking out this website now, because in my coming videos you can see that these products, we are having over millions of products for this website, and we have different shops. Okay, now these are different children clothes that they are having to display on this website. You can see them right here, that we have different items of different things. Okay, now let me scroll down a little bit. Let me scroll down. You can see their prices are fair enough. All right, now let me search for, let's go back to the category, other category, and let me show you what we have in there. We also have sports and outdoor. We have imported baby products as well. And for those who are into buying different sorts of ladies wear as well, we have it under this category. So you can search for, these are leggings for the ladies. All right, let me click on leggings now and see what we have under the categories. You can see we have different type of leggings in here, and you can see their prices are fair enough. Now let me click on this let me just stick around with these socks and see what we have. All right, so now another thing I want you to take note here. Now clicking on this, I'm going to show you something now. You can see that we have 4 RMB for the RMB price, and you can see that automatically this is the contact ID of this supplier. And to contact them, you can contact them is either via email, via their mobile, via WeChat and WhatsApp. Everything is being displayed on this website. Now if you are to check out this product, you want to go to click this visit shop here. Visit shop will take you to the shop of this supplier on Jiwongo directly. And another thing you want to know is that you can chat with this supplier. Now let me click on this panorama and see what is going to be displaying right now. It's going to be displaying the shop of this supplier and everything this supplier has for sale in his shop. That is another beauty part of this Jiwongo website. Now you can see, now let me try to scroll around. You can see that they are having their wholesales. They sell for wholesales, retail and manufacture. Now let me try to scroll to another side here for you to see all what the supplier have in shop. You can see that I can zoom to the right and to the left. You can see that these are different images of this product. You can see how beautiful you can navigate with this website. Now compared to 1688, you can't even see the shop of this supplier. Now this is what we have in here. You can see that this is a very big factory. All right, you can see that we have different things in here. You can see that these are the shop of this supplier now, and you can zoom everything. You can zoom everything. You can see it that this is a very big place you want to patronize. they can get as much as possible. Now I'm trying to zoom everything so you can see the way I'm zooming it. They have it in bulk and all available for anything you want to go for. Now let me back it home to show you another thing. Now once you are done checking the paranormal of this thing, you want to click on products to check out other products that are available in this supplier. You can see that their price are very low. You see we have 1.25 and other prices are also negotiable. You can see we have different socks here. Now if you want to go to contact and know much more better about this supplier, you want to click on contact here. All right, so clicking on contact will take you to the direct profile of this supplier and their address. You can see that their address is here, their WhatsApp is here, even their main product, everything they sell is going to be indicating here. They sell legis, they sell children's socks, they sell sports socks, silk socks, and every socks, anything that have to do with socks. Now let's scroll down. This is the complete write-up of this profile, this supplier. So these are everything you want to know about this website, and let me just go back now and show you some other things you want to learn again. So now we are back under the category section. Now let me scroll down and click on clothes and shoes and other parts. Now this is where you have different items you want to go for, and even here you can sell African wigs. You can see that we have African wigs here for those ladies that are selling wigs, right? So you see that we have different items that have to do with wigs, and I think we have different types of wigs in here, and these are things you want to know about this website for now, and research is still presently going on this website. Now let me scroll down to jewelries. Okay, let me see what we have: jewelries and bags and other parts. So we have detergents, we have, okay, let me see if we have bra and other things you ladies we want to go for. Let me see under health and wigs, let me see what we have. Let me check. All right, I think these are things you will like to check about this website and everything you want to know. Okay, so now this is research that I've already made plans for, and I've already make enough research about this website. They are very cool, and talking of their response, I think they respond as soon as possible as they get your messages. And how do you shout your supplier? How can you place an order? How can you add your shipping address? And what are the payment method? These are the questions that are on your mind presently. Guys, chill, don't worry. I can promise you in my next tutorial, these are things that we are going to be looking at properly on how you can get these things, how you can start buying them for your personal use and for your pre-order business and everything you want to know. You can see that they have different type of wigs in here that you want to go for. You can see their prices, that their prices are still fair enough. All right, so now these are everything you want to know about Yiwungu. For now, you can also go on your own to make your research, and I've also said before now that this Yiwungu registration is as very easy as you can think, because you can use your email to register, you can also use your mobile number to register, and everything is decoded in Chinese. You can see that you have everything in here. You can see, let me, if I'm to view, you can see that it has listed everything you want to see and you want to know about this website. So stay connected, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Definitely in my coming videos I'm going to be doing more explanation video about this tutorial and about this website. I will definitely see you in my next video. Guys, thank you guys for watching that video. You are an amazing person. So in my next video now, I'm going to be talking much better on how you can start this process, how you can start trading on this website, and everything you want to know about this website. It is a step-by-step process. This is just an intro. I will see you in my next video.